Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Uncle Dave. I had a special request from my boy Ruben. He wanted some pecan pie, so got my niece Kimora filming here and my sister here visiting, and we're gonna knock out a pecan pie tonight. Stick around, check it out. So first off, we have 2 cups of pecans. Now you can do whole pecans, you can do chopped pecans. I'm mixing it up. I chopped some pecans fine, I chopped some coarse, and I have some pecan halves for the top. I'm gonna tell you, you can make your own crust. That's amazing. Good on you. Next up, we're gonna include some light corn syrup. In this little guy, we got 1 stick of butter. 1 stick of butter. I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Maybe you can see there's some little pieces in the bottom. We melt it down, it's gonna cool down, we're good to go. 3/4 of a cup of Uncle Dave's Hill Country corn syrup, which means whatever corn syrup that you can get at the stove. And we got that corn syrup in there. Oh my God, look at that. You're gonna need a cup of sugar. Now you can use regular white sugar, you can use turbinado, you can use whatever kind of sugar you want. Uncle Dave loves brown sugar, babe. So I'm using this imperial sugar that is free flowing brown sugar, and it's really good. So I recommend you try it, but 1 cup of sugar is all you need. Oh, 3 eggs. Next up, half of a teaspoon of salt. This is everybody's favorite part. We got the macas, cranberry and vodkas. And we got, get out the way. Look at this, we got pure vanilla extract, which if you know the percentage over here is like 44% or something. So we're gonna use a half teaspoon of Maker's Mark. Don't be bullshitting and getting some cheap ass bourbon. Get the good stuff. You wanna eat the stuff that you would drink. So don't cheap out on bourbon, and don't cheap out with some fake ass vanilla. Get the real deal vanilla. And we're gonna use a half teaspoon of each. Okay guys, we're getting close. I've got a lemon, and I'm gonna use the juice of half of a lemon, so I cut it in half. And squeeze it with the hand. If you got something, I love this guy. I've been using this guy forever. See that? I'm gonna squeeze that in over here. If I can move this for a second. Here we go. Squeeze. Booyakasha. So thanks to my sweetheart niece Kimora. She helped me out. And now we go into 2 pie shells with a big ass mess in between, but hey. Hey, here we go. Get them as even as you can get. This ain't gotta be rocket science. It's just gonna be good. Ask my boy Rube Dog. Uncle Dave don't play with no pecan pie. Here are the 2 pies that are filled up. And now, please use the mess. Going over to the oven. And I'm going to turn this bad boy up to 350. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I preheated it already. So this guy is ready to go, okay? See that? 345. And we're going to go an hour. Hey, y'all. Deserve it. Real quick shout out to my girl, Kimora. That's my beautiful niece. She helped me with the video. We filming all this. And this pecan pie is going to be... So here we go with the taste test. Miss Kimora.
Oh, that's really good. That's good.
Yay, yay!
Oh, that's good.
There we go. For my sweetheart right there, she said it's good, it's good. Uncle Dave's got it nailed. Booyah.